Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can convert either a MKV file or a MP4 file to an AVI file. To do this, it's really simple. All you need to do is go to videoland.org and the link will be in the description and download VLC Media Player. Once you've done that, you can then just install it and open it. Once you've opened it, you will be presented with a screen just like this. So what we need now is our file. So I'm going to open my videos here, and I'm going to be converting this file. So to check what file it is, just right click, go to properties, and as you can see, I'm converting an MKV file. So what you need to do is simply go to VLC Media Player, click on Media, go down to Convert or Save, click the plus button, Add button, and browse for your video file you want to convert. Click it, open it, and then click Convert or Save. Now go down to the bottom, it says destination file, click Browse. Now this is where you need to rename your video to whatever you want it to be named. So I'm going to be calling it video. So if you want to convert it to MP4, you can do that, or you can just click all, and at the end type .avi, and simply click save and start. And as you can see at the bottom here, it's converting your file to AVI. Once that's done, I'll show you the file. Shouldn't take too long depending on how long the video is. Mine is quite short, so it's not going to take long. It's 4 minutes 53 seconds. There we go, so it's complete. Now what I'm going to do is go back to my video folder where my videos are located. I'm going to right click, I'm going to click properties, and as you can see, it's an AVI file now. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.